Be ready, start. Dear students, para, it gives me immense pleasure to take part in the farewell function today, and I deem it rather a great privilege to associate myself with you on this occasion. Para, it is an informal function arranged by you, and at least today I must feel myself behaving and moving with you not as a teacher or a principal, but as a friend. People call me the principal of this institution, but it would be more appropriate if I am called the servant of it, as it would give me more happiness than to be called the head of the same. Para, ours is a glorious institution, and I recall the happy moments when I myself was a student of this college some 50 years ago, and spent a life which was free from bondage, worry, misery. I would like to tell you, dear students, that the life of the students is more meaningful in the sense that the education one receives as a student shapes his destiny and is in fact a significant mark of his bright future. Therefore, I would advise you to take maximum efforts in improving your education further and further, and emerge successful in all walks of life. This is an age of competition in all fields and faculties as well. Unemployment of the educated is the main problem facing the student community. This in turn leads to student unrest and unemployment.